Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery. Today I'm going to show you how to find your historic temperatures for your temperature blanket. To find proper temperatures for your temperature blanket, go to temperatureblanket.com. This is where you'll land and you can enter your main city. So this works great for like anywhere in the West. I haven't checked Europe or Australia. Also, right here is where you can change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit right at the top. So that is super easy to do. If you say you're in Vancouver, British Columbia, 1 year, let's just back it up a year. There we are. Search. So it will bring up all of our temperatures. Well, the good thing to note here, look, it tells you your high temperature. And it also tells you your lowest temperature. So that is already done for you, automatic on this website if you are in a main kind of area or civilization. So highest would be 33.3, lowest would be -10. So that would be your temperature range for the whole year. This is historical, by the way. And then you can scroll down and pick how many colors you're going to do. So if you want to do 12 colors, it'll add 12. If you want to do 18, and it breaks up those temperatures into appropriate measurements or increments for you. So it's totally done completely. And we do maximum temperatures, not average. There we go. So there is the maximum temperatures. That's what your blanket would look like for the year that you have just picked. Now to get your temperatures, they are up here. You can select how many rows you want to see per page, all the way up to 365. So the whole year can be shown here. And then you can just write down the high temperature or the minimum, whichever statistics you are using for your temperature blanket. Or you can download that as a Excel spreadsheet. So that opens up in Excel. Or you can download it as a PDF. So I'll show you that PDF. It has all of our colors here already made into increments. They just divide up all of the available temperatures, so it's completely done for you. So it has the date and then also the max, the average, the minimum, the amount of rain, snow, and the hours of sun. So all of that is here, including a little bit of a temperature guide. See how they put these little boxes beside, so that kind of tells you what temperature that would be. That's kind of a neat little touch. So this is all ready for you free of charge if you live in a city where your historic temperatures are available. Now, if you live in a spot, let me show you what happens if you pick my location. Nairobi. Search. 298 days are missing. So it doesn't work great for me. So if this happens for you, then we're going to go to a different website called Wunderground. So Wunderground looks like this. So go here to More and click Historical Weather. To change Wunderground from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you click this gears, and then right here is your Celsius or your Fahrenheit. Now here is my nearest station. And we want to back it up, let's say for 2022, January 1st, view. And here you can do monthly. So on this one, daily, weekly, or monthly, we want to click on monthly. And scroll down. Here are all of your temperatures. This part here, these are all your temperatures. So your maximum, your average, and your minimum for the month of January. So you can get the temperature chart from the pattern and just write down the high temperatures or your maximum or whichever temperature you're using, but I use my maximum temperature. So you can just write this down, or you can use your snipping tool and make photos of it. And then when you're done that, let me zoom back in, you just change your month. We go to the next month, so February, and click View. And you can just do this 12 times, but it works for anywhere in the world, which is great for me. They have all of my temperatures. And if you scroll down to Summary, it also has your max, average, or minimum, but all these are only per month. So maximum temperature is 30, minimum was 19. So you can just kind of keep track of that or write these down per month and then find the highest and lowest. And that'll also give you your temperature range if you have to do it a little more DIY. Another fun thing to do on temperatureblanket.com is go to Project Gallery, and you can scroll down and see other people's color combinations, patterns that you like, and just like this is gorgeous for me, this is gorgeous for me. So you don't always have to do the colors that I'm doing. You could pick any of these color combinations. So this can kind of help you find a color scheme that maybe will match your house or your living room. So I hope this helps you find your historic temperatures, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay hooked.